Chapter 7 South America. A quick glance. Location and extent of South America. Political divisions of South America. Physical features of South America. Resources and their utilization. Minerals and industrial development. Case study: life in Amazon basin. South America is the fourth largest continent in area and fifth largest continent in population in the world. It was colonized in the late 15th century when the Europeans came to know about the continent. The first Europeans to explore and colonize South America were the Spanish and Portuguese. They subdued the native South Americans and set up their colonies in large parts of the continent. Later on, the Dutch, British, and French also set up their colonies in the continent. Their colonial rule lasted for about 300 years when the indigenous South Americans were subdued and used as slave labor. In the early 19th century, the indigenous people started revolting against the colonial rulers, and movements for independence began to develop in the continent. Most of the countries of South America became independent nations by the 1820s. The first two countries to gain independence in South America were Colombia and Venezuela. South America, along with Central America, Mexico, and Caribbean, are also known as Latin America because the majority of the people of these areas speak Spanish, Portuguese, French, and Italian languages, which were derived from the ancient language Latin. Location and extent. South America extends from about 12 degrees N to 55 degrees S latitudes and 35 degrees W 1 degrees W longitude. The continent lies in the Western Hemisphere, with the greater part of it located in the Southern Hemisphere, covering in total an area of 748 million sq.km. Tropic of Capricorn passes through the continent. Equator passes through the northern part of the continent. It looks like a triangle with its wider part in the north and tapering towards the south, with its southernmost tip being marked by Cape Horn. It is surrounded by the Caribbean Sea in the north, Pacific Ocean in the